Whoa, whoa, whoa. Alright guys, we started pretty much, what was it, 3:30 in the morning, 4 AM. Now it's about 8 AM and we had our liveys out. We got a couple of them crunched, but now sun's out, amazing condition. So what we're going to do, flick some plastics around in some structure and hopefully we can get some awesome pinky snapper. So we're going to flick some plastics around, see how we go.
Yeah. Shit, he's taking me in. Decent pinky, bro. Good fish.
Oh yeah, I think he's alright. Not bad.
That's great.
He's just saying, oh, crunch bait.
That's why I like fishing structure. You can actually battle the fish to get them out.
Yeah.
It's more rewarding, I guess.
Yeah, exactly.
But you lose more gear. Did you see a whole school? Or was it just the one?
No, look, whole school. Fucking fishing.
Oh, they're there. Is there anywhere mine is? Oh, yep. As I was saying. There we go. Feels so different just using heavy gear than using ultra light stuff. It's not bad. Nice fish. Let's get that net. There we go, not a bad pinky. Take that out. Off you go. Oh, that was a hit. What plastic do you have on? Like a slim swim thing. A few fish there, huh? Oh yeah. Oh, they're going nuts. I think they must have seen someone's lure.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, told ya. Is there anywhere mine is? A few fish, not as many though. Oh, oh, I got busted off.
No way.
Probably put a 3-inch grub on. So we'll use that. Alright, so we'll get our grub. Put that through there. Pop it out there. There we go, ready to go.
Oh, yeah.
You on?
Oh, maybe he's better than I think.
Oh, he's alright. He's actually alright. So that's the ones we want. Oh!
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 Wait, what? Came out and then... Yeah, beauty. Plenty of fish in there, so it's looking pretty good.
See that? That's a big fish. Look at that. Look at that fucking thing.
Oh yeah,
No.
pretty dewy.
Oh, I'm on.
You on?
Oh.
Oh,
Oh shit. Oh.
oh, he's going right. He's gonna do ya.
Mate, this is 6 pound leader. No chance.
Yeah, just gonna. Unless you want to get in there.
It. Oh, he's coming out slowly.
Yeah, you'll get it. But
Oh, fuck. Oh, jeez, good fish.
Oh, he
coming
got
out
you on the
slowly.
pole. Yeah, you will get it, but he's gonna stuff your braid up. You will get him out.
You reckon? I reckon.
I reckon you might get him out.
Oh, jeez, good fish.
Gotta buy a new braid after this.
Mate, look at the fucking rod tip. Look at it, just fucking cutting. Oh, I think I got him. You got the net? Oh, it's a snapper.
Oh, you got him out?
I think so. Oh, don't dust me.
Oh, that's a good fish. Oh, that's a good fish. That's a little snapper. That's what, a couple kilo?
Yeah.
That's a good fish. Told you, I bet you that was that fish that you saw.
Jesus.
You reckon?
Yeah, I've seen a few of them, eh? Ready? Oh, bang.
Yes. Woohoo!
I don't know
Winter snapper.
how the f we landed that.
Yes. That's a good.
That good fish.
Look at that. Awesome fish. Just gonna give that a go. It's a 2.5 inch slim swim.
Yeah.
Surely if I don't get one in there. Oh, had it already.
Yeah.
See, just changing the lure. Just put that little plastic on, give that a go. Plug it in there. Got a decent plastic on, so
Yeah.
it's got a bit of weight on it. Oh, he's actually alright. Just not making him run too much.
Oh,
Look,
yeah.
he's not bad. I was got 6 pounds and
Yeah.
maybe just. There we go. Nice fish. There we go, he just changed it up and got a nice pinky on the drop. Not bad. Just pinned him too. Good fish. Put this guy back. Nice little fish. Off you go, buddy. Oh, yep. Whoa. We found the school. Don't want to go too hard on him though. They're all decent fish. That one's a bit small actually. Lift you up. Still good pinkies. Yeah, pretty much as soon as it hits. Oh, some nice fish on the sounder. Oh, my lure's dropping down. They're gonna get it. Floody. What's it doing? Just weight, isn't it?
Oh, yeah.
Oh, it's a big floody. Mate, you're a floody man. Big one too, huh?
Not too big.
He's alright. Get him in the net. There we go.
Fuck, I wasn't.
Whoa, whoa, whoa. I just dropped that in.
You're a fucking rat. Good laugh. Good
You reckon?
fish. Yeah. Yeah. You're touching.
Oh, no.
No, go on.
He's a goner. If I've got no leader. We've lost.
Oh, yep.
You're on too?
Yep.
They're good fish.
Get the net. Get the net, Jack.
Still good fish.
Yeah. No, I made that pink.
Alright, this is number 12. 12th jig head, 12th leader. It's nuts. You gotta expect that when you're fishing the structure. So I'll give this a go again. 3-inch grub. A little bit of a rusty jig head, but we'll give it a crack. At least we'll lose the ones we don't want to keep. Cast at the same time. Oh, yep. Oh, good fish. No, he got me already.
No, you got it.
Oh, I can feel it rubbing, bro. I can feel it rubbing. I got him out.
Good old Robin Tug.
Oh, look at him. Good fish. Oh. Once you get him, once you lift their head, then just lift this one. New leader, so should be alright. There we go. Beautiful fish. Put this guy back. Off you go, fella. Try in here. Oh, yeah, got one.
Ooh, coming out.
Oh, he's coming out. Another good fish. At least he's not going in. He's got some weight on him. There we go. It's a bit better, that one. There's another nice pinky snapper. Beautiful. Look at the nice blue dots on him. How good.
Heaps of fucking pinkies in there.
Oh, yep. Yeah. Oh, good fish. Oh, there's a bloody thing there. Oh, got me already. You got me. Oh. Wow. How many have we lost today? About 15 jigheads? Bloody hell. Try a bit of everything. Got a pink rub on, so I'll pop that on.
Changing colours. Got his confidence back.
I'm changing whatever I've got more of. Look at all them. Nice little school of pinkies. If I get one in there, I swear, you got to be in it to win it.
Yeah. Oh, yep.
Oh, straight away around that.
What did you expect?
Oh no, got him out. Got him out. Got him out. Ah, round again. Come on, get out. Oh, it's rubbing. No, can you bring us back a little bit?
Yeah.
Oh, I got him out, got him out. Oh!
Sweet.
Let's wind that up because we've got clean from that one, clean bust off.
No way.
Alright legends, we're back in. What an awesome and a long day it was today. Started on the water around 3 AM and we did try for some dewies. So what we've done is as soon as the sun came up, we chased some pinkies on some plastics on ultralight gear, just in some structure, and we had some good fun on that. So hope you guys enjoyed. Subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys in the next one.